Trout live in different parts of a river based on three key needs: shelter, food, and protection. Based on these needs, trout use different locations to satisfy these requirements. Anglers label these locations as feeding lies, sheltering lies, and prime lies. Each day, trout will move around between these different lies to satisfy their needs and also try to maximize their calorie intake, while minimizing the amount of energy they expend. Of equal importance, they want to minimize their exposure to predators. Sheltering lies provide the trout shelter from predators. There are predators beneath the surface, but the majority of a trout's predators are avian: herons, eagles, ospreys, and anglers like us. Examples of sheltering lies are in undercut banks, beneath dead falls, below very fast or even white water where they can hold, and in deeper water. Feeding lies are basically the dinner table for trout. It is where trout go to eat and expend the least amount of energy in acquiring the food. Immature trout are exceptions to that rule because they eat all the time and everywhere. Examples of feeding lies are at the tail end of pools, riffles, eddies, in the foam line of larger pools where the insects are concentrated, and in shallow or deep water where aquatic insects are hatching. It should be noted that trout do not like to feed in shallow or exposed water for long, due to the dangers around them. Trout will also feed in fast water in the middle of a water column. How do they do it? Well, just like a seagull or a hawk hold their position on a very windy day, the air does all the work. The aerodynamic principles of air also apply to the hydrodynamic principles of water. Trout will play off the currents, their fins set at different angles, expending very little energy while they feed. These spots contain lots of drifting food, such as insects or bottom-dwelling forage fish. Usually, trout will move into these lies to chow down, but once they finish eating, they will move back to a sheltering lie or their prime lie. Prime lies are where a trout has it all in one convenient package: shelter, food, protection, and a resting place where virtually no energy is expended. Prime lies include undercut banks, deep pools, drop-offs, beneath waterfalls and overhanging bushes, fallen trees or logs, boulders or rocks which break the current, or back eddies where foam on the water's surface provides overhead cover. They choose these spots because they cannot be seen from above by predators or even anglers. There are some predators that feed on trout beneath the surface, like water snakes, eels, mink, and otters. They also choose these areas because they have a path to easily escape those predators. These are also ideal ambush points for attacking passing baitfish, or grabbing a hapless grasshopper that has fallen into the river. Usually, the biggest trout in a river system will use prime lies as their principal seasonal homes and as ambush points. Learn to look for these different types of lies, and your chances of angling success for trout will go up dramatically.